Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. It's alright, Dan, you're alright, don't worry. Wow. Oh my God.
Okay, bring it round slowly towards your back. Please be careful. I'm going to be careful. Please. Bring your other hand towards me. Bring your other hand towards me.
He's just had operation.
Be careful, please. At the moment, you're just taking search for fire. Okay, do what you're doing. Okay, right. We'll roll you up onto your side.
Oh my God.
Right, he's secure. Right, bring your legs up.
Oh my God.
Yeah, go for it, lady. Right, I'm going to sit you up onto your bum now. This your man's shoulder. Sit you up onto your bum.
Go on, Dan, you're alright, Dan. You're alright, Dan.
Alright? At the moment, listen.
Yeah, I got your phone.
Pointed out, it's potentially being involved in a robbery involving firearms.
No way.
Chained for a search for that, okay? Doesn't mean you've done anything. It means someone convicted and just pointed out to you. Might be a mistake on
My God, my
Okay,
God.
that's fine. Police are rolling up from the Street Police Station, alright? We're going to get you up to your feet, alright? Can everyone just step back and give us a round?
Yeah, I'm his mother-in-law. I'm going to stay right here. I'm his mother-in-law.
That's the way. That's the way. Come up on the front when she leaves. Sorry? I'm going to roll you up on
Yeah.
your knee. Okay? Up on your knee. Stand up. Right, just stand up against that wall. It might be that person is pointing up totally the wrong person.
Absolutely.
Pointing up. I'm a black man. I'm a girl man. The victim. Why are we doing this? This is so embarrassing. The person who has been robbed with a gun has pointed you up. That's why we're stopping you. I didn't make you point you up. No one made you.
Wow. Daniel, just relax. Just relax, Dan.
Because I've been put on the floor, right? It's offensive. So I can say on the thing, but putting you on the floor means that we don't do any other things, isn't it? It means no one hits you, no one kicks you, no one goes to you. But I've watched that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm explaining my colleagues and my inaction. I'm just trying to give you.
Dan.
Make sure you have anything to do with this. Yeah, okay, anything other than that, anything from WhatsApp to that, I'm sure we can do. I'm just going to keep that there because I need to do every person I stop is giving me a clock. So I'm just stopping. I just watch that person get shoved on the floor.
Daniel, just calm down. Just calm down. Just come down for an MOT. This is ridiculous. Oh my goodness. It's alright. You're going to be alright. You're going to be alright. Don't worry.
If you've got an empty, yeah, I'm just going to put the joint down. It's, if it's as I think it is and it's not you, in a minute they'll be lost.
Wow, my Lord. Wow, this is serious. Come all the way from South, all the way from Croydon to see this. This is outrageous. And here's my son-in-law being questioned, and want to know if he's got firearms on him. Yeah, I'm his mother-in-law.
You know what I said the other day? I've never been arrested or put in handcuffs in my entire life. So this is the first.
Well,
it's probably the most polite. I know it's not nice having a gun with you. I appreciate that. Or being dealt with this manner. However, getting you on the floor means we don't have to hit you, punch you, kick you, kidnap. It means you're doing it for us. It means we then just chill out and chills out. It's nice and it's wet. That's why we do that. Turn that running. All we're doing is speaking to the victim, saying to him, we did everything this right. Now he's had a block. I did face that he thought. raging. So there's potentially a bit of mix up there from the person saying it was you and it wasn't. However, I'm going to firm that up and see us.
اليوم يمكن